So it had just crossed my mind, and it was meant to happen. This was happening. This is just a little. I am Khushi and this is Club Doctor. In this video, I'm gonna talk about few learnings that I have got to know in the recent few days. So I will be explaining or conveying this. I will be explaining this in few points so that it will be easier for me to convey to you all. So the first learning is that be grateful to the universe. In this point, I would just say that for example, anything you are gonna start, for example a work which from which you are expecting 80% of efficiency, but you just got 45% of it, then what will you think? You will think ki, let's just give up on it. This is not meant for me. I just expected that much, I have given that much, and I received just this has to be changed. You should be grateful to the universe, because that could be a sign that you should keep going on it. You should work more on it. You need to work more on it to make it better the next time. Because if you just think like that ki this is just 20 or 40%, maybe this is not meant for me, you will just miss the potential of yours to do that in a more better way. This is the first learning. And the second learning is that whatever crosses your mind is meant to happen. So this is absolutely right and the best advice or learning, I would say, because this thing has happened with me also. For example, the journaling thing, I used to think that this is not my kind of stuff, because I used to watch the videos where people used to do journals, and doing that, at that moment I thought this is not my kind of stuff, but I have thought of it. So it does not matter whether I start it or not. So it just crossed my mind. But now I think that okay, now that I am back from college, I want to do stuff which will bring skill to my life and make it more better. Just besides studies thing, I just want to have a lot of things other than studies in my life. So I just thought okay, why not do journaling thing. So I started again watching those videos on how to do it, when to start it, when do people do it, to just to have a proper idea of it. And then after watching videos, I just thought okay, this is not my kind of stuff, I should rather not do it. But then randomly I just had this idea in my mind to check my notes. When I found the notes that I have already been doing it in 2021, in 2023, and even in 2026, I did it, but not in regular basis. I did it in a way that it did not even came to my mind that I had been doing it. So it had just crossed my mind, and it was meant to happen. This was happening. This is just a little example that I am talking to you. There could be many bigger things or better way that is happening in your life, that you just it's just not that you have noticed it yet. And bringing me to the third point, that is when you thought.
No, God, please, no!
So the third point is start taking actions. So once you okay, so start taking. There's noise coming from. Okay, start taking actions. So there will be a lot of times when you will have an idea ki let's start something. I will just take an example of making YouTube videos. You will have idea, okay, different ideas, but you will just think okay, इस चीज़ में तो मुझे ये करना, इसमें तो मुझे वो करना पड़ेगा, किसी चीज़ को करने के लिए मुझे this particular thing I need to do. Okay, I will just leave it for now, and I will just do it in rather future, or maybe this is not my kind of stuff. Start taking actions, right? You just have to start it. You just have to start it before actually deciding that this thing is not gonna work for you. How did you decide even before starting? So rather you have to take a decision of choosing something that, like, if you will just keep thinking and thinking, going around a circle without having a final or proper decision, then that is never gonna work. So you just have to start something to actually decide what is right and what is not. So yeah, after starting, you can obviously think that this is not the right thing. That's how you move forward in life. But how do you decide if you haven't started it yet? So I would just say कि कुछ भी idea आपके दिमाग में है, just go for it first, and then you will have to figure out if it is right or wrong for you. So that will completely justifiable if only after you started. Okay, so the last point is when you thought is the right time. So I will explain it with my personal, this example that is a few years ago in 2020 maybe. I have thought of making YouTube videos that would include mine video obviously. So I just created this very particular YouTube channel in 2020, and then I figured out that I have to do something else rather than making videos of my own. So I used to make edits or something like that, but then I just dropped this idea because thought that I should rather focus on getting into a college, then I will do things like this. So that was the first point when I just postponed this idea. Then the second thing, I just thought about it in 2023. At that time I had this problem of background issue had to be solved, so I had just, okay, I will do this later on. I just postponed it again. Then came 2025 when I was in college. Then I thought ki okay, now the background issue is also solved kinda, because I am at college and I have a lot of places to make videos on. But then I had a problem came, that is subtitle. Okay, where do I find it, how do I do it? So I just thought ki okay, let's focus on semester exams and then I will just figure out about it. Then again it has been postponed. So I thought about in 2020 that was the right time to do it, but then it got postponed because of my carelessness. And then again it came to my mind in 2023, then again I postponed it in 2025. Whenever you get any problem, just try and find out the solution rather than postponing it to the future. So according to me that was the right time, but this is also a time, right? So I have started doing it now that I am home again. So yeah, that was the thing. So whenever you think is the right time, so these were my four learnings that I have gotten to know like recently these days. So do subscribe to the channel and like the video, share the video, and comment down below if it was really helpful to you. And yeah, you will definitely find its worth or usefulness after a few days. If you implement this kind of stuff in your life, then you will get to know what I am saying is absolutely right based on my personal experiences. So do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.